The future of prefabricated construction. Innovations and advantages for residential projects. Prefabricated construction, also known as off-site construction or modular construction, involves the fabrication of building components or entire modules in a factory-controlled environment before transporting them to the construction site for assembly. This method contrasts with traditional on-site construction, where most building elements are built entirely at the project location. Advancements in technology and manufacturing processes have propelled prefabrication to new heights, leading to innovative solutions that enhance efficiency, quality, and sustainability in construction. Computer-aided design (CAD) software, building information modeling (BIM), and parametric modeling enable architects and engineers to optimize designs for manufacturing, ensuring seamless integration and compatibility of prefabricated modules on site. The integration of automation and robotics in prefabrication facilities streamlines production processes and enhances productivity. From recycled steel and engineered wood products to energy-efficient insulation and low-emission adhesives, prefabrication minimizes material waste, reduces carbon footprints, and promotes eco-friendly building solutions. The shift towards prefabricated construction is driven by a range of compelling advantages that appeal to contractors and resonate with homeowners seeking efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable building solutions. The superior quality of prefabricated components, which are constructed to exact specifications, reducing errors, rework, and on-site disruptions commonly associated with traditional construction. As innovations in design, technology, and sustainability drive the prefabricated revolution forward, contractors and homeowners alike stand to benefit from the numerous advantages that prefabricated construction offers in shaping the built environment of tomorrow.